The bias-variance trade-off is a fundamental concept in machine learning and statistical modeling that helps us understand the performance of predictive models. At its core, this trade-off describes the balancing act between two types of error, bias and variance. Both of these elements contribute to the overall error of a model, and finding the right balance is crucial for achieving optimal performance. Bias refers to the error introduced by approximating a real-world problem, which may be complex, with a simplified model. A model with high bias pays little attention to the training data and oversimplifies the underlying patterns, leading to systematic errors in predictions. This is often seen in linear models attempting to capture complex, non-linear relationships. As a result, high bias models can lead to underfitting, where the model fails to capture the essential trends in the data. On the other end of the spectrum, we have variance. Variance refers to the error that arises from the model's sensitivity to small fluctuations in the training data. A model with high variance pays too much attention to the training data, capturing noise rather than the actual signal. This phenomenon can lead to overfitting, where the model performs well on the training data but poorly on unseen data. Essentially, high-variance models are too complex and fail to generalize beyond their training examples. The key to effective model performance lies in finding the right balance between bias and variance. If we focus too much on reducing bias, we may increase variance and vice versa. Ideally, we aim to achieve a point where both types of errors are minimized, leading to a model that generalizes well to new data. Techniques such as cross-validation can help assess this balance, enabling modelers to choose the right level of complexity by evaluating how different models perform on validation datasets. Understanding the bias-variance trade-off also influences our choices regarding algorithm selection and hyperparameter tuning. For instance, simpler models like linear regression may be preferred when we need to minimize bias. Conversely, more complex models like decision trees or neural networks may come into play when we want to minimize variance. Each model presents trade-offs, and being aware of these can guide practitioners in making decisions that optimize predictive accuracy and generalization capabilities. In summary, grasping the bias-variance trade-off is essential for anyone delving into the world of machine learning, as it directly impacts the success of predictive models.